Hey guys, and welcome to Smash Hit. Now this is a game that I saw one of my friends playing one day, and I decided I'd play it. I played it a little bit already. I deleted the game recently, but now I'm re-downloading it to make a video with it. But it's a really fun game. It's free for any type of device you have other than like a PlayStation. And depending on how many things you hit, you get more balls. So if you have two, that gives you a better chance of hitting stuff. It's a really simple game, and it's really addicting game, and good time killer. Fun stuff. It just gets harder as you go through. And then whenever you get to a certain point, it'll give you one of these where you can just throw multiple balls. Like this is a part where it gets harder, and then it'll get harder as it goes through. Just get harder and harder and harder. But it's a really fun game. So if you like the video, I suggest you download the game. And like I said, it's free. And sometimes that happens. Break the glass. Win the game. I don't even think there is a finish to it, though. There might be, though. It's not like the game developers worked on it forever. Didn't think I'd have to break that. That did not go well. Oh, wasn't looking. It's a really fun game, though. Suggest you try it. And no, this isn't a sponsored video. I don't do sponsored videos. I don't even think I can if it's a kid-friendly. But in case you didn't ever read my description, I am a kid-friendly channel. I've never made it this far. Oh. Keep throwing that turtle on my name. Oh crap, I only have 5 left. Okay. Oh, by the way, the little blue triangles give me more. Okay. You can't hit glass pieces. I don't know why, but you can't. Shout out to my eggs. I mean, I'm just saying random words that don't even go with the actual song. As you can see, I got myself back up to where I needed to be. For the birds! Okay, this is going way too fast. Keep going, keep going. Made it pretty far so far. Also, you might not be able to hear this music, but it's epic. I'm probably going to make a series of this. Even probably make a playlist of it. You can collect bonuses and all stuff like that. Yeah! Way too fast, way too fast, way too fast, way too fast. Gosh, my first time playing today. I made it this far. Freedom to the birds! Oh, whoa, whoa. People never letting the birds see the inside light. They think they're vampires and they don't like going inside. Some people who have pet birds, they do get to go inside. And if you're Harry Potter, then the bird has to stay inside. Dang it! Don't mock me, game. Well, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna make this become a series and make a playlist for it. But see you in the next video. Peace out.